award-winning actress, endorser, and animal welfare advocate. Kumustahon ta this morning ang usa sa mga bida sa primetime series, Love of My Life. Ang love natong tanan, Miss Karla Abellana. Maayong buntag, Carla, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag sa lahat ng mga kapuso namin dyan. Thank you for having me, for guesting me today.
And we're so happy to have you this morning, Carla. Kumusta ka na?
Okay naman po, so far so good. 2021 is off to a good start for me, so I'm very grateful. Sana magtuloy-tuloy lang po yung blessings.
Let's talk about the loves of your life. Itong mga aso mo. How special are they, Carla, in your life?
As my loves of my life. My gosh, thank you very much, loves of my life. Oo nga, kayo nga po yung una nagsabi na loves of my life ko sila. Yes, totoo po yan. They are one of the loves of my life. I have 4 at present. They keep me busy. Iba po yung pakiramdam kapag umuwi po tayo ng bahay tapos sila yung sumasalubong sa atin. Yes.
And this time naman, pag-usapan natin ang love of your life and your co-star din sa Love of My Life na si Tom. What's it like working with Tom in this project? Kumusta siya as a co-actor?
Working with Tom, particularly in Love of My Life, although he only had, I think, 2 taping days for Love of My Life, happy kami kasi kahit yung character niya, as Stefano, matagal nang nawala sa kwento, kahit papano magkakaroon pa rin siya ng appearances in the show. So nakapag-taping kami together.
And how about Miss Connie Reyes? Ano yung mga nakukuha mong mga tips and techniques from her?
With Tita Connie, sa kanya nagmamatter yung bitaw ng linya. Siguro that's one of the things that I learned from her. Involved siya kung meron siyang gustong palitan na particular sentence or word or just delivery in terms of yung lines. Ganun siya. Because oo nga naman nagmamatter yun. Because to most of us, we may think na, linya lang naman yan, script lang naman yan, di ba? Anong difference yan? But really, nasa sa pagbibitaw ng linya, minsan may mga pinapalitan sa linya that would make a lot more sense and would change the scene entirely in a good way.
This time, throwback tayo to your iconic TV roles dito sa Kapuso Network. Please share your fun memories about these projects, Carla, ha? Let's start with Rosalinda.
Napaka-memorable because aside from it being my very first project, nakatrabaho ko the likes of Direk Mario J. De Los Reyes, an amazing director, unang project, amazing award-winning director niya. Working with everybody else, ang una kong kontrabida, Katrina Halili. So yung mga ganong, try ko nakatrabaho, ang daming pinagdaanan. It affected me a lot, but thankfully it made me stronger.
And this time naman, ang My Husband's Lover, isang
Husband's
classic
Lover!
na.
Yes, another iconic teleserye yan. Hindi ko makakalimutan ng My Husband's Lover kasi I won an award or 2 for My Husband's Lover as well as my other co-actors. Nanalo din sila. Mas nakilala kami around the world. Yun yung first time na nagkaroon ng teleserye na trending gabi-gabi sa Twitter.
And of course, ang Love of My Life, Carla.
Love. It holds a special place in my heart kasi working with our director, Don Michael Perez, affected all of us a lot. Given the fact na nakapag-relate siya sa kwento ng gusto. In fact, parang kwento niya ang Love of My Life. Given his experiences with his parents and having to deal with terminal illness in the family.
At every night, inaabangan talaga namin ang Love of My Life. So please, thank and invite everyone sa patuloy na pagsuporta nila.
We are happy with the feedback that we have been receiving. Happy po kami na na-enjoy niyo po yung show namin. And sana hindi po kayo bibitaw. Sana hanggang end talaga, hanggang dulo talaga nakatutok po kayo.
Thank you, Carla, for spending your morning with us and for making our morning even more beautiful.
Thank you very much po.